Okay, for the preliminary, you need to have an account with if this then that. You need to set up webhooks with this then that, and you need to set up your device. The device that I'm using is a cheap $17 outlet I bought from Walmart, with branded as iHome. So I connected my iHome account to if this then that, and we'll get started here. So if you're not familiar with if this then that, the basic idea is if you do this, there'll be some commands sent to follow up and do that. So you just need to specify what this is and what that is, and that's how automation works. And the idea behind this is, while we all are used to using Google Home, Siri, and Amazon's Alexa, the concept is, we already have this amazing dictation built into the Mac, so why not put it to use? And oftentimes, it actually is faster on the Mac than what the Alexa gets it to the outlets. So we're going to get to town on this. Again, if this happens, that will also happen. So we're going to first select our if option here. So we're going to get into this, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to choose if, and we're going to choose webhooks. This would be the webhook. So click on the webhook. If webhook receives X request, then it'll do X command. So we're going to go ahead and go with that. The event name would be, dictation's on. The event name would be turn on the corner light. Create the trigger. I gotta spell things properly. Okay, create the trigger. Now that's set. So if the webhook receives turn on the corner light, then we're going to click that, and that is going to be the device I have set up here, which made me sign in, of course, and you're gonna have to sign in with whatever you have there. So we're going to turn on the corner light, create the action. Okay, so turn on the corner light. That's simple. So now we're going to go ahead and get out of here, and we're going to go to Automator, and we're going to create a new workflow, or no, actually just make it a dictation command. I didn't realize you could do that right from here. So dictation command, choose, and we're going to say turn on the corner light. Command enabled. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to go over to I don't know where this stuff is. So command shell, maybe bash, shell script. There we go. Add a shell script. We're going to type curl -x post, and we're going to post this to the command, but we're going to change the trigger to turn on the corner light, and then my keys in there, obviously. So that's all we're going to do. We can also set up a notification just to confirm. Display notification, and we'll just name it turn on the corner light. Okay, so if I click run, we'll see if it turns it on. And it just turned on the light in the bedroom corner. So it worked. So once that's done, we'll click save. And we'll name it as turn on the corner light. Save. Now, when you hit the double function key, which I don't know if it'll do while I'm recording here. Yeah, I did earlier, so we'll see what happens here. Dictation is now on, so I'm just randomly speaking in the microphone. It's picking it up. You can see at the bottom right there. So I can say, turn on the corner light. And the light just came on. So less than 10 minutes, but that's the nitty-gritty on how you get down to it. It's really simple to set up once you've got your webhooks set up with if this then that, and you've got your automation devices linked into if this then that. Once those two processes are done, the rest of it is pretty simple. You just gotta paste the command into the new workflow for Automator and link it to a vocal command. That covers everything. Appreciate you watching.